In this video and in the coming videos, we are discussing the sphere. And we have already done what is a sphere in the introductory video, and we have learned the formulas connected to finding the volume and surface area of the sphere. We know that sphere is something like this if we are talking about the solid sphere, and we know that the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius, and it has only one surface that we have already discussed why, and the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared, right? Now, based on this, we are going to solve the questions given to us, and we are going to find the volume and surface area of the sphere, that is whose radius is given to us. Now, the first is 10.5. So r is 10.5 centimeters, and we have to find two things here. One is volume and another is surface area. So simple, we'll we will write the formula first. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi. Pi you have to use 22 by 7. Unless it's specified there to use pi as 3.14, or sometimes you may have to use it as 3.142 also. And r is, we can write this as 105 upon 10 into 105 upon 10 into 105 upon 10. Now we have to solve it. So while solving, you have to be very careful with the calculations. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, then 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 2, 2s are, so now 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 2s are 5 1s are 5 2s are, so you are left with 2. Okay, this will go with 11, right? So in the denominator we are left with only 2. So this 2 and this 2 will also go. So what are we left with now? We are left with 11 into this 21 and this 21. Be very careful with the calculations. So volume is equal to 441. 21 into 21 is 441 into 11, which is equal to 4851 centimeter cube. So you have found the volume of a sphere whose radius is 10.5. Now you have to find the surface area. So we know the formula for surface area is 4 pi r square. So we will substitute. So this is 4 into 22 by 7 into 105 upon 10 into 105 upon 10. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. So 5 3s are, 5 2s are, 2 2s are. So 5 2s are, 5 1s are, 5 2s are. This 2 and this 2 will go. So we are left with 22 here, 3 here, and only 21 here. So finally your surface area is 21 into 3 is 6. Okay, this you can multiply 66 into 21, which is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Be very careful with these units also. When it is volume, unit will be centimeter cube. When it is area, then unit will be centimeter square. Now another one, same, radius is 4.2 centimeters. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. Always write the formula first and then you substitute the values. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7, and r is 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10, right? So 7 6 are 3, 2s are. Anything else? Okay, so 2 5s are. So here 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, and 2 5s are. So finally we have volume as 88. 4 into 22 is 88 into this 21 into this 21, 21 into 21, and in the denominator we have 125. So volume will be 88 into 441 divided by 125. So if you multiply these two, you will get 38808 divided by 125, which is equal to 310.464 centimeter cube. So this is your volume. Now surface area. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square. So let's write, substitute the value of r here, which is 42 by 10 into 42 by 10. So 7 6 are 42, 2 3s are, 2 5s are, 2 21s are, 2 5s are. Anything else? No. So finally we have 4 into 22 into 3 into 21 divided by 5 5s are 25. Right? So we will have, this is 88 into 3 into 21 divided by 25. So this will become 8 3s are 24, 2 carry, 8 3s are 24, 25 26 into 21 upon 25, which becomes 221.76 centimeter square. Right? Okay. Now we have another sum. In this, the volume of the sphere is given 288 pi centimeter cube, and he wants us to calculate the radius, and once the radius is done, he wants us to calculate its surface area to nearest centimeter square. Right? So let's write the data first. Volume is 288 pi. That's all he has given to us. Okay, now we know the formula for volume, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 288 pi. Now pi and pi will go, we are left with r cube, 4r cube, this 3 will go this side, so 288 into 3. Now this 4 will come down, so you will have r cube as 288 into 3 divided by 4. So 4 7s are, 4 2s are. So your r cube is equal to, you can write this as 72 as, let's factorize this, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, 3 8s are. So you will have 3 square and 2 cube, 3 square and one more 3. And then you will have 2 cube, right? So r cube is equal to 3 cube into 2 cube. So your r cube is equal to 3 into 2 whole cube. Cube and cube will go. Your r is equal to 6 centimeters. Fine, you have found the r. After that, he wants you to calculate the surface area to nearest centimeter square. Now we know that surface area, the formula for surface area is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into r is 6 into 6. So which is equal to 88 into 36 divided by 7. Right? So that is equal to 3168 divided by 7. So 3168 divided by 7 is 452.57. So if you have to calculate it to nearest centimeter square, nearest will be 453 centimeter square.